gonna be taking the T-Rex out for a ride. I'm gonna be hanging out with my daughter Jay today for the day, so it should be an interesting day. But I had to point out that she thinks she's gonna be getting in a T-Rex with her hairdo. she thinks that thing is gonna fit in there. I like this much clearance with my head. I want to see how this is gonna look. Her putting her big head with that hairstyle inside this thing. Let's get into this video. We'll see how this turns out.
Take a few selfies.
What's going on with your hair?
I gotta lean like this.
Why'd you put your hair in that style?
Oh, well, because I didn't want it to be down and stuff. So yeah. Real quick, what are we going to do? We're going to the mall to get me a new phone.
Alright, we're gonna end up going to the mall. She's gonna need a new phone. We'll vlog a little bit in there and we'll take it from there. We got a full tank, so we're gonna be able to play a little bit on 95 now. What do you think this guy's thinking? He thinks that I'm your sugar daddy. We're getting here to the mall now. We'll do some shopping and something.